Hey, and welcome back to Personal Trainer Marketing Strategy. I am Erin Kendall, and today I'm so excited to talk with you about 3 different ways that you can take your personal training business online. And this is where things can start to get super exciting. So if you're a personal trainer and you are looking to scale your business and reach a larger audience outside of your local market, there's so many different ways to do it. But today I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can start planning your online personal training business, which can be an extension of your local personal training business, or it can be a totally separate arm of your business. The first and most obvious way to offer personal training online is just like you would do in person. You're doing a one-on-one personal training session over something like Zoom or Skype, where you're face-to-face over the computer with your personal training client, where you can actually do that one-on-one assessment, you can do that one-on-one accountability, and you can really tailor the workouts to the T for your personal training client. So that's the first way that you can do an online personal training business. The second way that you can organize your online personal training business is through a group program. So kind of like mimicking a group fitness class, but you're doing this with a large number of people that can be anywhere in the world, and you're using tools like maybe a Facebook group or maybe one of the online fitness tools that have apps that go along with it. I personally love the Facebook groups because everybody's on Facebook anyways. Most people are anyways. And so when they're on Facebook and they get those notifications and reminders and accountability prompts, then they can continue to be reminded to stick to their fitness goals. So those group programs are hopefully designed for a particular type of niche or market to help a group of people solve a similar type of problem, whether it be a prenatal group, whether it be an athletic group, or an accountability group where you have a group of people who like working out, but they just need help sticking to it and staying on track. The third type of way that I'm going to share with you about how you can start your online business is through a fitness blog. So if you are a writer or you like writing and that's a form of expression for you that you're comfortable with, I say go for it. And this is where you need to put in the time, and it takes a little bit longer to see results come to life, but it's one of those things that keeps paying you back again and again and again and again. Because when you start your fitness blog and you learn how to use tools like Pinterest and Google and SEO, where you can drive traffic to your website, and those people that come to your website to learn about fitness from you are going to click on links. They're going to sign up for different type of maybe one-time transactional purchases from you. Maybe you put together a single guide on how to improve your tennis game, and you are writing an article about fitness for tennis players. That's just one example of so many possibilities. That's why the online world can be so exciting. You have so many opportunities. So with the fitness blog, learning tools like Pinterest, SEO, and writing is going to help you bring traffic to your blog and allow you to either do transactional sales and purchases through your website, and or affiliate sales. So the more people click on links and go to things like Amazon or whatever kind of affiliate program that you might be working with, you're going to get a commission on those sales. So you can see how that starts to really snowball into something bigger over time. So the traffic obviously doesn't come all right away. It comes over time through learning how to bring more traffic into your business via your blog. All right, so go ahead and click subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below. if you have any questions or ideas about how to start your online portion of your personal training business. But like I said, this can be a really exciting opportunity for personal trainers who are looking to expand beyond their local marketplace.